This is one of those scenarios where if you didn't care about keeping this thing original, you'd just run a jbox mounted somewhere in here. But this is the jbox, the start gear, and the thermal overload for the compressor. So this wire will obviously rotate when I flick this box back around to where it should be. I still haven't joined this earth that I personally added that this never came with. I still haven't joined it to much. There's no real good layout here. I mean, they're kind of just sort of stuffed in here, and it's got a good piece of cardboard underneath it to keep it insulated. I'm not going to be able to show you guys putting it back together because I need to keep this a little bit neater than it is. Like I said, there really aren't too many good ways of doing it. Basically, that's what I've done. I'm sure it looks terrible, but this is like a valve radio where you pull it apart, and by modern standards, it's got no real layout or anything. It just kind of goes where it goes, and that's it. So, alright, well, I'm going to get this back together. I need my concentration on what I'm doing, not filming, so that's why I'm not going to film this. But I'm just showing you guys. But I did add some tape between these lugs and this one here. The reason why is because that's part of your compressor gear, and you really don't want that stuff to short out. Alright, well, thanks for watching.